155. Okay, everybody, brace yourselves. 30, 245. Gear down and
Okay, it looks like you had a little trouble with it. So we're going to give you another shot. Starting at 3,000 feet.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. Today is our second day in this Boondockers Welcome site that we're at. This is our host that was so gracious to let us stay here yesterday. Anyway, today there are two things that we have on the list. There's a space museum and a pistachio farm that we want to go visit. So we're going to go check those out. And
we love nuts.
We love nuts, yeah. And the Space Museum looks pretty impressive, so we got to at least stop there to kind of see what it's about and stuff. So anyway,
cool.
Yeah, it'll be cool. So here we go. We are visiting the Space Museum. We had to come inside to talk because it is so windy out there. But if you actually look, here is a view looking out across the valley. We can see the little town, we can see the Air Force Base, and out in the distance there we can see the white sands. And it's blowing in the air. So anyway, yeah, it's pretty windy, but we're going to check out these.
Dermal abrasion, just go to the white sands today.
That's right. So anyway, glad we went yesterday and we didn't have to put up with all this, but it was windy enough yesterday. Okay, anyway, we're going to go in here and look around and just check out what this is all about. All right, so we are inside and we're going to take the elevator. We're going up to the 5th floor. So it is senior discount, $7 each to get in here. They also have some videos that you can pay for in a big theater screen. And so if you want to do those, they're all sold out. And look at this. So yeah, we're in the elevator and it's a cockpit. It's pretty cool. Anyway, the theaters are sold out, so we're not going to go watch the movies, and we actually want to go out and try to check out the pistachio farm too today. So we don't have a lot of time it's hard to kind of get everything into one day. But anyway, it should be a lot of fun. Oh, we got to push the button. We're not going anywhere. I remember seeing this display in our history book, and when I was in school. Supposed to land on that runway.
Oh, I'm supposed to. Oh, I'm landing?
Yes.
Continue to follow the guidance sign.
Where am I? I'm going to go.
7,000.
Where am I?
Discovery Houston. Show you on center line, slightly high.
Where am I? The little,
forward.
that one?
5,000. Radar altitude, checking them. They both look good. Discovery still on a white shoulder. A little high, need to get the nose down ASAP.
Yay.
Nose down.
Nose down? Oh,
Bring
hold
down,
on.
290.
I don't know where I'm landing.
On that strip.
On the strip? Well, the strip's up there.
Okay.
3,000.
She's talking to you.
Okay, how about arm in the gear, Wood, please? Roger, got him. 1,285.
Boy, this is not
500, 275. 400, 270. 300, 265. Here's coming. 200, 260. 100, 255. Okay, everybody, brace yourselves. 30, 245. Gear down and
Okay, it looks like you had a little trouble with it. So we're going to give you another shot. Starting at 3,000 feet.
This is easier than the other one.
Maybe we should try that one.
Stop. Nope, I'm going up. Well,
Did you crash too?
I think
That sounds sounded like a crack.
I think I broke one of the legs. This rock is a moon rock. And it's 3.7 billion years old, weighs 113.82 grams. Not sure what that is. Okay, I cheated. It's 0.25 pounds. That's how much that rock weighs. We're entering my era. Star Trek. Kind of interesting. It talks about the whole history here. So it's kind of neat.
Turn to the east and follow your partners to a large rock at the base of a hill in the distance. Use your altitude hand controller to climb over obstructions. Your speed is shown on the left side of the display.
Oh, look out. There's too many
Your altitude
things.
is shown on the right side. The red and blue markers on the outside of your compass.
Uh-oh.
The marker at the top of the compass.
I don't think you made it. I think you did.
I'm lost.
Pick yourself up.
Oh, there's a dust storm coming.
Just like
Where am I
you.
supposed to be going?
I don't even know where you are.
It says forward. Oh.
I think you're inside that thing.
Let me out.
Oh, you're in that thing.
We need to pick up the pace a little, so I'll guide you to the rendezvous point.
There's the rock. I think yours in the bowl.
Big rock.
Good job, search team. You're all qualified jetpack pilots.
This was a pretty fun little place to visit. I could see where kids would have a lot of fun because the adults are having a lot of fun. So Ninette we probably don't want her flying the shuttle. And then, of course, then I was trying to land the lunar lander. That didn't go too well either. So I'm not sure. I think we'd be what they called a washout. We washed out of the space program. So anyway, we're going to take off from here and head out to the Pistachio Ranch and check out some of that, maybe have some food. And so we'll see how that all works out. But this was really a lot of fun, and I would say that everyone should come here. It's pretty cool. Okay, we are at the McGann's Pistachio farm. It's PistachioLand. They have all kinds of different kinds of pistachios. We're going to go check it out. You can
Got
see.
the biggest one. And
Yeah, look at that big pistachio back there. Yeah,
30 feet, I think.
that'll take a little while to eat. Okay, we're gonna go inside and see what it's all about. Are you hiding?
All hoodies, 2 for 20.
All right, I don't know. She's kind of saying there's hoodies here, 2 for
20.
2 for 20. I asked her if she's cold. She says no, but it's a good price. They stay PistachioLand, New Mexico. They're cute. Got to get them if they're cute. Also, if they're a good deal. Doesn't matter whether you need them. Although, I don't know where we're going to put it within the motorhome. I always use that against her, so it slows her down sometimes. Otherwise she just starts throwing my stuff away. You know, whatever. So it says free samples, so we're checking them out. I just had the habanero. That was pretty good. Now I'm going to try the spicy ranch. Ninette was wondering if it's too hot. So
This one was hot. Green chili.
green chili pistachio.
Feels pretty good. I like this one. Red chili.
Say that.
Yeah.
Say
Tastes
that
like a
again.
dill pickle. Are they good?
You like dill pickle?
Yeah. It was pretty good.
Okay.
I tried
try
this. No sugar added cinnamon.
It's hard holding the camera and getting my
Oh, what
stuff
do
at
you
the same
want? Dill
time.
pickle?
I'm going to try dill pickle. because Ninette says that it's good.
It tastes like a dill pickle. Do you like dill pickles?
It's kind of hard to twist the knob. Oh, okay, here we go.
So on the other side. And try the cinnamon.
Used to eat a lot of dill pickle sunflower seeds. That's what it is. She's trying them all here. So which one? Green chili, pistachio? Okay, I'm going to try that one. Okay, I got one. All right, not through the bottom. This is the... Different people have different tolerances for hot. They have to be pretty hot before I start noticing it sometimes. I'm thinking the habanero was hotter.
Oh.
She loves anything to do.
Pretty good though. While we're testing these, checking out all the different flavors here they got, I went and registered us for a tour. So for $3, you can take a trolley, and they take you all around the farm and talk about pistachios. So $3 each, that's a pretty good deal. So we're going to check that out. In the meantime, we'll keep sampling some of these and figuring out what we're going to actually buy here, because these are pretty good. So we just finished the tour around the farm, I guess it's called, or ranch. And this is our tree. What's
An
it
orchard.
called? Oh, it's an orchard.
This is a pistachio almond.
Pistachio almond. So we're sharing a pistachio almond waffle cone.
2, 7.
They actually make the waffle themselves. And this is, whoops, So anyway, Katie was our guide, and she took us around in this little mobile, the green
There's a
mobile.
picture. There's a picture.
So anyway, we went around the resort. She told us the history of pistachios. A lot of these originally came from Iraq. Interesting enough, the pistachio tree itself is actually grafted into some other tree, a base tree. Oak, walnut,
sumac?
or not.
Oak.
Yeah, oak is the one. So it's some strong tree that got strong roots. So the actual pistachio tree itself is actually grafted here. So you can see you can see all the grafts. You can see on the bottom, they actually look a lot different, and that's the base tree that they're actually grafted to. And some don't graft well, and most of the time they do. So they have a male tree, and they have the rest of them are females. So about one tree for every 25 females.
They're happy trees.
And the wind, like we mentioned throughout this video, is
windy.
Lots of wind. It's actually in their favor right now because the males are putting out all their stuff, and the wind.
They're
The wind is,
pollinating by
the
the
wind
wind.
is blowing that all over to all the female trees to pollinate them. And so it takes 8 years, was it, before they get 1 pound of pistachios off a tree. But then after that, they get how many pounds? A lot of information.
25 to 30 pounds.
25, 30 pounds of pistachios
off
each tree.
And
each
they
tree
live-
lives for, I think it's 150 years.
Yeah, long time.
Long time. So they have a vineyard that they also make all their own wine. So interesting enough, everything that is done here is only sold online or local. They don't have,
Parks.
yeah, they have a national park, White Sands, right? And then there was another place down the road they sell there, but otherwise everything is only sold here locally. They actually don't put it in any chains or anything like that. So the stuff you buy at Walmart or something like that all comes out of California. So they said they don't taste very good. Well, I don't know, but I just know the ones here taste really good. So anyway, so that kind of ends our little tour, and I gotta hurry and start eating here, so I gotta shut up. But anyway, so thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll catch you on down the road and on our next video, and if not, that didn't come out right, did it? Hopefully we'll catch you on down the road somewhere, and if not, on our next video. So anyway, thanks for watching. Take care.